good YouTube, man? It's your boy Javon, man, and I'm back with another video, but this time I'm doing it by myself. You know why? Because I'm doing a prank on my girlfriend Siobhan, man. If you guys didn't see the last prank she did on me, she did a, what was it called? A period prank, something like that. She got me. I ain't gonna lie, she got me. You think it's finna go down like that, baby girl? Oh, no. It's finna be crazy. You start something, I hope you can continue, because it's finna be crazy. Now, when I'm start, I ain't gonna stop. Ain't nobody gonna be safe around me, man. When I'm by myself, it's finna be crazy, man. Everybody getting pranked around me. I'm gonna start off with you. Yeah, I'm mad. You pranked me. You got me. You got me. I'm in my mom's closet, man. I'm way on the other side of my house. I sat here for like 20 minutes trying to think on a prank. I'm like, bro, it can't go on like that, bro. I'm finna get her back, bro. So I finally came up with, I'm finna do the, I'm not attracted to my girlfriend prank. You know what I'm saying? It's finna be crazy, man. I don't know what, hope I can get a good reaction. I don't know. I hope I can get a reaction, but I'm finna be extra with it, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna make her mad. Like, extra, man. I hope I get a good reaction. If you guys didn't see that video she did on me, man, it's gonna be in the description below. Go watch it, go like, subscribe. Team Javon, of course, you know what I'm saying? It ain't finna go on like that. It's gonna be crazy.
We got 2 likes on our
Huh?
oh, they're so cute.
What?
This picture.
Let me see. Who's that?
Ray J daughter. Ray J and Princess.
I was just want to show you this.
What the hell? Who is that?
He a foreigner up there. Ain't no. His hair has been way messed up. Alright, what was on?
On Instagram. Instagram. I was doing my hair. I was on Instagram.
So you on Instagram was calling you this whole time?
I was doing my hair. I was doing my hair. So trying to get fun of you.
No, that was just. Yeah, but the reason why I'm calling you, because I was just sitting there chilling, right? Because I thought I was going to watch TV. They said we was doing it here and just play music and shit. That was why I come here. I was going to watch TV.
Oh, baby, look how big she is.
Who's that?
Latoya Forever. She's a YouTuber.
Oh, okay. Latoya Forever. But yeah. I ain't even turned the TV on yet. Yeah. Because I came here, I was just chilling. You listen to me?
Okay.
I can't. Who's that, Clayton Hart?
Clear Heart.
Yeah, I was just, I just want to watch TV, watch the rest of this. I was just chilling, like, sitting down, chilling, just thinking about the future and stuff like that. What you got me like that for?
you say you thinking about the future, so.
Yeah, I was thinking about the future. I was just chilling, thinking. And then, I don't know, something random just came to my mind.
Okay. Gonna have a baby?
No. That's what you weren't saying. But no, something else came to my mind. I was just thinking, I don't know if I should ask you. I don't know. You promise you're not going to be mad or anything like that?
I don't get mad easily.
You don't get my easily?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, no, I was just thinking that, you know, I always have all these guy friends and stuff. You know, we always go chill and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
So now I was thinking that, how you feel if I should get like a girl best friend or something like that?
You have one.
Who?
Me.
No, I'm not a girlfriend. I'm talking like a girl, like girl best friends. Like have more than like 1, 2. We go out to like chill and stuff like that.
Chill where?
Like go out, go chill, go watch movies or.
Why you can't watch a movie with me?
Huh?
Why you can't? First of all,
No, wait, hold on.
you can't have no girl best friend to go watch the movie with because every time we go to the movies, you always fall asleep. So.
But listen, let me finish.
Okay, go ahead.
That was just like an example. We're gonna go watch movies or go out to eat, chill, go to the mall and chill. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna fall asleep on the movies because it's gonna be like 3 or 4. We're just gonna chill. We're gonna have fun and chill like that. I'm not gonna fall asleep.
For what?
Girlfriends.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Not girlfriend, but
Girlfriends.
Like, not girls. I think me and you dating girlfriend, but you know, girl best friend, something like that.
So it's gonna be you and then 3 or 4 of them.
That's like an estimate, like maybe 1 or 2. Let's go out this chill. How you feel about it? I said no.
You got me.
What's wrong?
You want to have a girl best friend to go to the movies with and chill with and do stuff with that you can do with me?
We're not gonna do anything, bro. We're not gonna do anything.
You talking about you gonna go to the movie?
What's wrong with the movies?
Babe,
We always go to movies and chill.
okay, because we're a couple.
I feel like we always do stuff together. Like I feel like we always do stuff
As
together.
we should. As we should.
That gonna get annoying though.
How's it gonna get annoying?
Huh?
Are you annoyed?
Yeah, I'm annoyed.
Annoyed about what?
Cause I feel we always do stuff together. Like I can't hang out, I can't go. You always want to come with me everywhere I go. So like, it's getting bored. I'm tired of seeing you every single day, bro.
Let me sit right
like,
here.
I feel like I'm not attracted to you no more.
You're not attracted to who?
You, babe, you.
That ain't my name.
You
My name ain't you.
Chavon, you.
Boy, you on some type of new drug they got on the market or something because how you not attracted to me?
Cause we always together, we always do stuff.
Aren't we supposed to always be together?
Yeah.
Aren't we always supposed to be
let me
together?
talk, man. We always together.
Okay, you not already talking enough. You ain't talking enough because I'm about to smack you in your teeth right now.
Why? Cause I'm being honest with you.
Because you saying all the wrong stuff.
What's wrong about that? What you want me to say?
You saying you annoyed by me?
Yes, cause
You saying that you annoyed we spend so much time together.
yeah.
We together. We're in a relationship. That's what you're supposed to do. If you didn't want to spend as much time with me as you want to spend as we should, you shouldn't have gotten into no relationship. We should have just been best friends and that's it.
We still gonna be together, but I'm just saying.
No, we ain't gonna be together. We ain't gonna be together if you gonna get 2 and 3 other girls to go hang with. We ain't gonna be together.
Babe, we're not gonna do it.
Don't call me babe. We're not together. We're not together. Don't call me babe.
Come on, you see, you mad on something? You mad on something?
Yeah, I'm mad.
Why you mad?
Because you talking about you wanna go get 2 other freaking females.
Yeah, cause
to go hang with.
we always do stuff
We're
together.
supposed to.
I'm getting tired of you. That's why I'm not getting. That's why I'm not
Okay,
attracted
well,
to
if
you
you
no
get
more.
tired of me, break up with me then.
I don't want to break up with you then.
Why?
Cause you look fine. Like I don't want to let you go like
My
that.
God, I'm about to punch you in your face.
Babe, chill out, man. Yeah.
I'm about to punch you in your face right now because you pissing me off.
How am I pissing you
You
off?
called me up here to tell me this stuff?
Babe, back up, babe.
You called me up here to tell me this stuff.
I'm being honest though. See,
I could have been home. You could have just texted me and told me this, and then that could
you
have
was
been
already here. I want to see your face reaction.
Why?
Huh?
Why? Because you want to get smacked in your face?
No, I'm not gonna let you smack you, man. Back up, man. Why you?
No, because you making me mad right
So why
now. So
you
we gonna sit right here. Sit down.
So why you coming so close to me
down.
for? Like I'm just stating what's on my mind. Like I can say what's on my mind. What's wrong with that?
No, you can't. Not when this
What's wrong with it? Like we're not gonna do anything. We're just gonna chill. That's it.
Okay, well you can't chill.
One day of the week. I see you every day.
Why do you need females?
Cause I have other guy friends. I always chill with them too.
Okay, well just chill with them.
No, like females. I'm not gay, bro. I don't want to be our own man every single time. Like you tripping, bro. Like, I'm just staying.
You tripping.
How am I tripping?
You tripping.
Cause I wanna go hang out with some girlfriends, bro. Some girlfriends.
Some girlfriends. Some girlfriends.
Bro, chill out, bro. Like, what you wanna hit me for?
Because you pissing me off. I'm thinking you playing right now. I'm thinking you playing like, cause you know not to try me like this. I'm thinking you playing.
Bro, can you not hit me then, bro? Can you not stay keep a distance or something? Like,
I am in my distance.
so can you let me talk and not try to rape
Go
your
ahead,
hand?
talk.
So, okay, so what's wrong with me staying in my mind? What's wrong with that?
Because you saying the wrong stuff.
Cause I'm not attracted to you no more?
You're saying the wrong stuff if you want to be in a relationship.
Cause I'm not attracted to you no more? What's wrong with that?
You're not attracted to me, but you still want to be with me.
So?
What type of that?
At least I won't get to see you. At least I won't get to see you 2 days of the week. You still gonna have me for 4 or 5 days. I just wanna go outside and let's have fun with some other people. What's wrong with that? Why you getting fingers for like you want to do something?
Because I'm about to knock you in your face.
Why you wanna hit me for?
Because
I'm be okay. Hold on.
You brought me up in here.
Hold on.
I was in there having a good time. I was laughing, looking at babies and stuff. And you come and bring me up in here talking about.
Let me. So what if I didn't be on your back? Then what? You get me way more pissed off, right? At least I'm coming to you up front about it.
You should text me this.
But I want us to get your face reaction. What's wrong with that? Face to face. We a couple, right?
Because by the time we
are a couple, right? So we supposed to come face to face with stuff, right? Look, man. By the end of the day, I'm sorry, but I'm just tired of seeing you. Like, you look. Like, chill out, man. Like, what the hell? Like, chill out, man. Bro, chill out, bro.
You ain't trying to see.
Bro, chill out, bro.
Who you trying to see?
Oh, you hitting my ears, bro.
Huh?
Come on, man.
Who you trying to see?
Yo, let me go. Let me go.
No.
Let me go,
no, because
bro.
you bring me up here to talk about this BS.
Bro, come on, man. Let me go, man. Babe, let me go.
Don't call me babe. Don't call me babe because I'm not your girlfriend.
Man, you choking me, man. Let
Don't
me go.
call me babe because I'm not your girlfriend.
Come on, man.
Don't call me babe because I'm not your girlfriend.
Yo, let me go, man. What the Let me go, man. Yo, babe.
Nope. Don't call me babe.
Well, let me go and let me go about my business then. You getting mad because I'm not attracted to you no more, bro. Let me go, bro.
Well, then why you want to be in a relationship with me then, huh?
Shit, I'm just having the same conversation with you. Why you hitting me for?
Because
what? Because what, huh? In my ear, he's like, chill out, bro. Bro, chill out, bro. What's wrong with you, bro? I'm just talking to you.
I don't care. You annoying.
How am I annoying?
You brought me up in here to talk about this stuff.
At least I'm be honest, right? At least I'm be honest, bro. Stop hitting me shit, bro. Like, want me to sit down, let's talk, bro. Like, what's wrong with you, my guy? Damn. You in my ears, bro. Like, you sharp ass fingernails. What are you looking for? Bro, chill out, bro.
No. Cause you get on.
Bro, chill
You
out.
better back up.
Chill out.
Get your hand off of me. Get your hand off of me.
Bro, I just want to.
Are you done with this BS you talking about?
No, cause I'm being for real. I'm still gonna go out with them.
Who?
Don't
Call him.
No, why call him for what?
Call him and
Why?
tell him come pick you up.
No, don't worry about that.
Call him and tell him
don't worry.
come
No, give me my phone.
Call him and tell him come pick you
Give me
up.
my phone, bro. Give me my phone, bro. Like the hell. Yo, put that foot out. Why you doing that? Who's gonna do
Cause
that?
I'm about to smack you in your face with it.
Bro, babe. I'm still gonna go.
Don't call me babe.
Well,
Don't call me babe.
you gonna call you it?
Don't call me babe.
You gonna call you it or something?
Call me by my name.
I'm not calling you by your name.
Call me by my name.
Shot
Cause at this point, we ain't nothing to
No,
nobody.
back
See
up,
each other.
bro.
We ain't
Back up.
nothing.
What you coming to close to me for? Back up, bro. Cause you mad cause I'm not attracted to you no more? Huh? I'm tired.
How would you feel if I was to come to you talking about I'm not attracted to you no more, you don't look good to me no more, I'm attracted to somebody else and I want to have guy friends? How would you feel?
We different, so you ain't finna have no guy friend. You finna have one guy friend. Like,
Who?
Me?
Nigga, please.
What you mean? What you mean?
You got me messed up.
Man, you finna have one?
I'm about to go call all the guys I was messing with before I got with you.
Who?
You ain't gotta worry about it.
Who?
You ain't gotta worry about it.
Man, I'm finna chop you, man. Go ahead and play with me, bro. Go ahead and play with me. Go ahead. This ain't no two sides. This is just me. This is how I feel about it.
Nope.
Bro.
Cause if you wanna have something, then I'ma give me something.
What am I getting though?
You wanna have some girlfriends.
We just going to chill. What's wrong with that?
Well, I'm gonna go have me
Bro,
some
you
guy
making
friends
this
to
a
go
big
chill
deal
with.
like one of these, man.
You making it a big deal.
Oh, I'm over there sitting in the corner chilling.
Because you already know how I am. You already know how I am. You ain't about to have no girlfriends if I don't know anything about them.
Bro, that's true. You can't talk to females, bro. Y'all some hard headed, bro.
You hard headed.
Like, you guys are hard headed, bro. Like, I'm just calling you to talk to you. There's a simple conversation. You want to be an extra hitting me and picking on the teddy bear for what? That's
Because
unnecessary. Why is your first?
you saying stupid stuff.
Why is your first thing is always to
saying
hit
stupid
people?
stuff.
How is it stupid? I'm being honest with you.
Who think is this?
Man,
Who think is this?
Don't worry about it. Put it
Who
up.
think is this?
Don't worry about it, bro.
Who think is
Why
this?
you worried about it for?
Because I'm about to break it on your head.
Man, keep your distance, bro. I'm sorry, that's not attracted to you no more. Listen, better tell your grandma, granny.
I'm calling Granny.
I'm not buying you. I'm not buying you no promise ring, no none of that.
Okay, I'm gonna call
I'm
Granny
not buying you none of that. Okay, call Granny. Okay, who you want to call?
I'm calling Granny right now.
I don't care who you want to call.
Okay.
Okay.
You know what? I'm done with you.
So where you going?
You want to have girlfriends? You want to go hang out with your female friends? You can do whatever you want to do because at the end of the day, it ain't gonna phase me nothing. It ain't gonna phase me nothing.
So where you going?
I'm about to go.
Damn, bro, my fucking ears, man. Oh, shit. Talking about where you finna go.
You want to go hang
Where
out
you
with
going?
your girlfriends?
So where you going? Why are you leaving?
I'm leaving.
Bro, where is he going?
I'm about to go.
Why?
Cause you want to have your friends, your little chicks and everything. You want to have your chicks? Go ahead. Matter of fact, I'm taking your call.
Bro, it's just a prank,
I
bro.
don't care.
It's just a prank. What the hell? Oh. Bro, this is why I don't do pranks, bro. She tripping, bro. It's just a prank. It's
No,
just
I
a
don't care.
prank.
No, it's not just a prank. Your
Bro,
keys
the
are
camera's
not-
right here,
I
bro.
don't care.
Bro, it's just a prank,
Where
bro.
your keys at?
Why you want my keys for?
Cause I'm about to take your car and I'm about to go smash it.
No, man, you got me fucked up, bro. Bro, you got me fucked up, bro. You got me fucked up. Yo, chill out, bro. Bro, it's just a prank. Bro, it's just a prank. It's a camera right
I don't
here.
care. No, it's
It's
not.
just a prank, bro.
No, it's not.
It's just a prank, bro.
You always playing stuff. You think I ain't gonna do nothing?
Babe, give me my car keys, bro. Give me my car keys. Give me my car. Bro, chill out, bro. Give me my car keys, 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 bro. What is he doing? Man, you're not finna reverse all this shit. Bro, you're not finna come on. I'm finna tell you. You tripping. Yeah, that shit fucked up, bro. Bro, it's just a prank, bro. No, I'm gonna open the garage. They locked this shit. You ain't coming out here in my car. Bro, come on, man. It's hot, man. This girl tripping, bro. How you? Bro, that's a prank, bro.
You wanna see something?
It's just a prank.
I got this key.
So what you gonna do with my car key? Just a prank. The camera is right here. The camera is in it. I'll show you from the start to the beginning, from the start. Bro, chill. Look what you want to do in my car, bro. Chill out, bro. Yo, chill out, bro.
I will keep the fuck out of this car.
Yo, give me my car.
Don't come near me.
Bro, it's just a prank, bro.
No, it's
you
not
let
just
me
a
break
prank.
the damn thing. What is this thing called?
Man, you broke it for real?
Bro, cause I'm trying to run you down. Yo, give me my car key, bro. That's a damn prank.
Move, get that camera on my face.
Man. That's a damn
Let me
prank.
see your phone.
No, for what?
Let me see your phone.
What for?
Because did you lock the garage on me?
Yeah, let the garage so you won't open it. That's a damn prank.
Oh, I'm about to have a heart attack.
I think I got it good, guys. I think I got it good. Oh, I feel happy to get the prank her right, man. After she pranked me the first time. I'm gonna end this video right here, guys. Man, it's like, I don't know if you guys can see, she smacked the crap out my ears, though. think we got her good. What the hell's wrong with you?
He ain't getting nobody.
Yes, I did.
No, you
Matter of fact, say Team Javon. Team Javon. Team Javon. Man, Team Javon in the comments.
Shavon.
No, man.
Team Shy Money.
Anyway, Team Javon in the
Team
comments.
Shy Money.
Team Javon in the comments. What?
Team Shy Money.
Shy Money. You guys know. Team Javon in the comments, man. Make sure you guys smash that like, man. I need give me at least 10 likes. 10 likes. That's all I'm asking for. 10 likes, guys. 10 likes. Put down below what other video you guys want me to see me do. Cause it's gonna go crazy this summer. It's just the beginning, shorty. Yeah, is that it? Alright guys, I'm finna cut this video off, man. Peace.